Is it time to buy or sell ARB IoT Group stock? In this video, we delve deep into ARB IoT Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 19th of September, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 16th of September 2025, our system has ranked ARB IoT Group as a hold accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, showing a gain of 31.58% since we first recommended purchasing ARB IoT Group 4 days ago. This equates to an average return of 7.89% per day since it was classified as hold accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system foresees high volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. In light of the latest developments, we find ourselves unable to predict the stock's next movement, as it could potentially go in either direction. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 25.81% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 59.66% to negative 25.81%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 221.54%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 24.79% to 359.44% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $7.80 and $28.71. Our latest daily update for ARB IoT Group includes the headline, Significant Fluctuations in ARB IoT Group Limited stock price on Friday, moving 28.02% between high and low. The ARB IoT Group Limited stock price rose by 31.58% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 19th of September 2025, increasing from $4.75 to $6.25. During this trading day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 28.02%, ranging from a low of $4.89 to a high of $6.26. The price has increased in 6 out of the last 10 days and has gained 30.19% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume also rose on the last day, alongside the price, indicating a positive technical sign. With a total of 48,000 more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 70,000 shares changed hands for approximately $436,300. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $7.46, while the lowest was 24.1 cents. Currently, the price is 16.21%, or $1.21. Below the 52-week high of $7.46, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. ARB IoT Group has transitioned from proof of concept to achieving commercial traction this year. Between March and April, the company announced approximately $98 million in artificial intelligence server supply agreements. This included a deal worth $45 million and a subsequent contract valued at $53 million. Additionally, its agro unit secured recurring palm farming revenue of around $20 million, along with an expected extra $13 million annually following new acreage acquisitions and an exclusive distribution agreement in Sabah and Sarawak. The company continued to innovate with the introduction of an AI drone mapping system and a smart AI fertilization robot. They also signed memorandums of understanding to establish an AI data center lab and to collaborate on server solutions with significant industry partners. On the corporate side, a 1-for-15 reverse stock split took effect on June 2, 2025. This action reduced the total number of shares, elevated the per-share price, and modified the company's QSIP number. In the short term, these large contract announcements and the reverse split can enhance the stock's attractiveness through improved perception and a reduced float. However, they may also lead to increased volatility, dependent on timely execution. Over the long term, recurring contracts, product launches, and strategic partnerships can foster sustainable revenue growth and potentially lead to a re-rating if margins and delivery prove dependable. Despite this, execution challenges, competitive pressures, and capital intensity remain significant downside risks. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 28th of July, 2023, it was reported that Maxim Group assigned ARBB a buy grade with an initiate action. Analysts have assigned the ARB IoT Group stock a general sell rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong buy. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for ARB IoT Group. The ARB IoT Group Limited stock shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. During downward corrections, support is anticipated at levels of $4.92 and $4.67. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Monday, August 25, 2025, and since then, the stock has risen by 55.47%. Further increases are expected until a new top pivot is established. Furthermore, a buy signal has also been generated from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, known as MACD. ARB IoT Group Limited has seen increased trading volume, which aligns with the recent price rise. This trend is viewed as a technically positive sign, as volume is expected to follow price movements. Enhanced liquidity also contributes to reducing overall risk. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average, convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 19 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 27 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 6 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 15 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 78 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 138 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for ARB IoT Group. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $5.32 and $5.11. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level. If this level is breached, the stock may then decline to the next support level. In this case, ARB IoT Group Limited has support just below today's level at $5.32. Should this level be broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $5.11 and $5. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.37 between its high and low points, equating to 28.02%. During the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 9.51%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for ARB IoT Group, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the KEE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, persistently negative P/E ratios may raise alarms about insufficient profits and potential bankruptcy risks. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for ARB IoT Group. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for ARB IoT Group is at $6.78. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, ARB IoT Group encounters its first support level at $5.32. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $6.04, reflecting a decrease of 3.34%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, contributing to a higher risk profile. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 83, which considerably elevates the risk. Notably, there is a buy signal stemming from a pivot bottom identified 18 days ago. Is ARB IoT Group stock a good buy? ARB IoT Group Limited presents several positive signals. However, we do not find these sufficient to recommend it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it would be more prudent to consider it a hold candidate, allowing for potential accumulation while we await further developments. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 22nd of September, we anticipate that ARB IoT Group will open lower by 450 cents, commencing trading at $5.80. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.